to create shirt mockups of your designs in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create shirt mockups of your design in Canva. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the canva.com and you will be landed to the official website of Canva, and after that you just have to create a design from scratch. So just simply click on create a design at the left hand side of the menu screen, this purple icon, and over here you can select any of the personalized size that you would want to create, but for now I'm gonna choose the Instagram post size. And after that, when you see the canvas right here, just simply click on the upload section and upload the kind of logo that you would want to edit in the your shirt mockups that you would like to create. And once the file is uploaded, just simply click on it and bring it in the canvas right here, and just adjust the size and the location of this particular image that you have uploaded. You can also go ahead and click on edit section and remove the background of this particular image right here, but I would like to keep the background because it is making this particular text more prominent, which is looking good. And now in order to create the shirt mockup in this particular design, all you have to do is just simply scroll down and at the left hand side menu screen, and you will be able to see the option called apps, under which the first option that you will see, it says mockups. Just simply click on it. Under the popular section, just simply click on see all, and when you will scroll down, you will definitely see someone who is wearing a t-shirt or a shirt that you can use this particular mockup for. So for example, I'm clicking on this one, and you can see that the Canva has created the shirt mockup for this particular text right here. And yeah, you can adjust the size and make it bigger and smaller as per your liking, and there are so many different options available that you can choose. And now you can also make changes in the text or the image itself and adjust it accordingly. Now you can create more mockups like this. So click on add page and now click on see more, and you can see this particular person right here. Just simply click on this one, and now you can see that the shirt mockup has been created again. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to create shirt mockups of your design in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.